What up, Stradman fam? Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all crushing life. Now today is an exciting day. It's a day that I never even thought about, dreamed about, just didn't even consider as a possibility. Come with me. Quite frankly, it's a day that's just absurd, ridiculous, and awesome. Thanks to James for this opportunity. You see, today I get to ride co-pilot with James in his Bugatti Veyron, and we're going to a car show where we just know he's gonna get lit up by a massive mob that is excited to see him and his brand new hypercar, and I'm excited to watch. Now there's two reasons I'm excited for this event. One, as far as we know, this is the only Bugatti Veyron in the entire state of Utah. Post Malone has Bugatti Chiron, and that's it. So I'm excited for everyone to be able to get a chance to see it and check it out. Even though it's not my car and I'm not really the one sharing it, it's fun to participate in such a unique opportunity. And the second reason is it's gonna be fun to watch James get lit up by all of his fans. He doesn't do YouTube for like fame or attention or glory or anything like that. He just enjoys making fun videos and he loves cars. He's grateful that he has the support that he does. And it's gonna be fun for me as a buddy to watch him get lit up, watch all of his fans give him the love and support that we all know he deserves. So it's gonna be fun to be there. Let's go. Also bonus, 720S provided by 8080. Ready?
I'm ready, you ready?
Is it too early for you to be on camera?
I'm good, bro.
Okay.
I'm ready. Yeah, I got the scoop.
Casey, respect. Thanks for bringing the 720S.
Yeah, provided
8080.
by.
Provided by 8080.
Wow. You driving? Oh,
damn. No, okay, okay. Now I know there's the stigma of like, that's not an amazing exhaust, but I like it. It's just a rumble, it's a low, it's strong, but not blatantly offensive, because it doesn't need to be. It's got 4 turbos. Now the 720S, I'm told if you buy merch at 8080, you could win this. Just saying, that's what I've heard. Perfect record, let's go, perfect record. Yes, still haven't missed. Also, so you guys know, we did a custom vinyl for the Ford Raptor. We ordered it, it's on its way, hopefully in 2 weeks or so, we get it wrapped. Never before seen, I think. You're either gonna love it or you're gonna hate it. Earth tone, coming soon. Your casual, daily car.
You all right, big bud?
I haven't stretched this morning. All right, let's go. 458. Yeah, Johnny and Brandon, also 720. Uh-oh. See ya. Jeez. It is so fast. That could be a cop right there. It's hard to know. We haven't been pulled over yet, so why don't you fly by and see? I'm hoping this video turns into James gets arrested, goes to jail for 3 days.
And that's why you get to drive the car home.
And that's why I get to drive the car home.
I see it. I see it there, bud.
Yeah. Wow, there's a lot of people here. Should we just turn around?
Yeah, we should go home.
This is, yeah, okay. The pressure. Now this is the whole reason I came to the car show, was to watch James and the Bugatti get mobbed. Kids are running, people are running, it's chaos.
Why are you filming yourself then? They're just looking at your ugly mug.
I'm building the suspense. I was building the suspense. It's,
you know, you built it.
It's a cinematic technique.
Like, wow, this really isn't that suspenseful.
Yes. Honestly, you're putting on a show by driving in circles.
No, it's honestly, this is more exciting.
Right there, right there. Oh.
Hey, we've been looking for you.
I'm trying to track you down.
We were like, where's Todd? We need Todd.
Respect to Todd at Agility, taking care of us right now. Yes. What's up? I had a fan. That's weird.
Hey, there's your GTCS right there.
Oh, hey, respect to that.
Yeah.
We found the best car here at the car show.
The California
2013 California Special Mustang. My dad's. Orange Shelby GT350, gray Shelby GT350. This is the set. You should park right here. How's the car?
They're beautiful. I love it.
It's amazing.
Plenty of headroom.
Clayton, respect.
About time, jeez.
Yeah, James had to do his hair. He had to do his hair. You know, James. Wait, are we just parking here?
I guess so.
Don't rev it. Let's just get out.
What do we do? What do you say when you get out? It's so awkward.
I'm hoping everyone looks at you, and I'm gonna duck and hide.
No, nobody. That's
I'm
not
gonna duck and cover. Duck and cover.
It's not gonna happen.
I wish I could get out gracefully. That's the awkward part. At least you can get out like a normal human being.
Best of luck.
We should just sit here for 20 minutes and then drive away.
So awkward and uncomfortable.
I'm
Best of luck.
gonna film you get mobbed.
Wait, I should film you getting out. You gotta make this look good. We're good. You got a whole crowd.
Speech. Hold on.
Speech.
No.
Oh, okay. No speech.
Who likes James? Who likes his Bugatti?
Wow. Respect.
Hi, Dad. Hey, Mom. Hey, what's up? Hey, Dad.
Who brought that?
Here, yeah, back there.
That guy? Respect. Well played. Don't mess it up.
That was one of my better signatures, bro. Easy there, big fella. Don't mess that up, son. The pressure's on.
Everyone's watching.
Wait, how are you so good?
I've done this before.
Wow. Big shot.
He's gonna tattoo your signature.
Let's
onto
go.
his arm.
Let's do it.
Do you want it this way? Do you want it that way?
Do it however you want. As long as you can fit his in there too.
There's a lot of pressure. I feel like I need to practice. Can I practice on your arms?
Careful, SpongeBob. Practice.
See that? That wasn't bad. If I could recreate that, I'd be pretty happy.
Do that right now.
Okay,
Just
right
hit
here.
it.
Right here?
Right there.
Come on, James, you got it.
Yes, I love it.
Wow. Could you make it,
I don't know.
Could you make it any bigger?
Before you guys get the tattoo done, I'll send you that file if you want to change your mind.
I won't, but okay.
Okay. I mean, under pressure. That's unreal. Look at that. Clear eyes, full hearts, can't lose. Laser focus. Look at his tenacious.
Oh, I nailed
Look
that
at
one. I nailed that one.
That's on. Wait, can I get that for the vlog? Wow. Dude, look at this guy. He's signing my bag. Are you kidding me? The audacity. We're sold out. These are
Really?
sold out, yeah.
I'm not surprised because they're a nice bag. Quality.
Wow, that's the nicest thing you've ever said.
It's true.
Hey, are we leaving?
Sorry, my bad.
It's time to go, bro. You better make this look seamless. Oh, jeez. I am so sorry. We can't look that direction. You good?
We get it.
Respect. Wow. Everybody is so proud of you.
Yeah. Appreciate y'all. Wow. What's it like to have that many people gather to see you and meet you?
You tell me. They're here to see
They were
you,
all
bro.
here to see you. Don't deflect. Don't deflect. I will say this on behalf of James. He's a bit exhausted from the show. He respects and appreciates all of you and the support that he gets. Is that not true?
That is true. No,
That is true.
You said that profoundly and poetically.
Can I drive it now?
No, bro. There's a Mustang next to us.
Yes, there
There's
is.
a magnetic attraction to Mustang owners.
Looks good though. Wow, what can I say except it was such a fun experience to watch all the support and love that everyone has for James. And I'll be honest, I was surprised by how many people wanted a picture with me as well. I mean, I was standing by a Bugatti Veyron, so I get it, but I'm always amazed at the love and support that you guys have for me and this channel as well. It blows me away, quite frankly. So I appreciate all of you. Now on to a couple items of business. The last video hit the requisite number of likes, which was 10, in order for James to agree to let me go drive the Bugatti Veyron. So that means next video, I'm driving a Bugatti Veyron. Also, last video you guys saw, it took me 8 days to install a couple mods on the Raptor. The last one was the cold air intake. We didn't have time to take it for a drive and see if the mod was really worth it. So we're gonna take it out now and see if I can perceive a difference. Let's go. It desperately needs a car wash, so maybe we take it to the car wash. Maybe not, maybe. Now obviously I've already driven this truck quite a bit since the last video, so I've already been able to formulate an opinion on the cold air intake. In my opinion, quite frankly, for a modification that cost $370 or so, that was super easy to install, that gives probably some MPGs, I haven't measured that, I don't know. The sound is it's more pure, it's more clean in my opinion. The horsepower gains, I feel like there is slight uptick in horsepower, but responsiveness, I feel like that's where the biggest factors come in. It just feels a bit more responsive. So all in all, cold air intake, worth it. Exhaust, always do that first. Cold air intake, yeah, second. But let's get her washed up because she's dirty. But that's gonna do it for today. I appreciate all of you, and if I saw you at the car show, thanks for saying hi. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Go crush it. Best of luck to you. Peace.